Scene script. Have you ever wondered what would happen if Mars had a moon as big as our moon? Mars, the red planet that we know today, is a fascinating world, but its moons are nothing like ours. It has two tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos, named after the Greek gods of fear and terror. They're more like misshapen asteroids than actual moons, small and irregular, lacking the grandeur of our own lunar companion. These moons have a subtle impact on Mars. They don't really influence the tides or climate of the red planet, as our moon does for us. Their gravity is too weak to have a significant effect, and their small size means they don't reflect much sunlight onto Mars's surface. However, imagine for a moment that Mars had a moon as big as our moon. How would that change things? So, what if Mars had a moon as big as our moon? Imagine a parallel universe where Mars, the red planet, has a moon identical to ours in size. Not little Phobos or Deimos, Mars' current moons, which are more like oversized asteroids, but a full-fledged, awe-inspiring celestial body akin to our own Luna. This hypothetical scenario could dramatically change the Martian landscape and its potential for life as we know it. One of the most noticeable effects would be the creation of larger tides. Currently, Mars has no significant bodies of liquid water on its surface. But if it did, a moon the size of ours would cause considerably larger tides than those on Earth due to Mars' smaller size. These tides could potentially create dynamic coastal ecosystems and alter the Martian terrain, making it more hospitable for life. Another intriguing aspect to consider is the stability of the Martian climate. Our moon helps to stabilize the tilt of Earth's axis, which contributes to our relatively stable and predictable seasons. If Mars had a similarly sized moon, it might also have a more stable climate, increasing the chances for life to develop and thrive. Moreover, a larger moon could slow down Mars' rotation speed. Currently, a Martian day, known as a soar, is only slightly longer than an Earth day. However, with a larger moon exerting its gravitational pull, Mars' rotation could slow down, leading to longer days and nights. This could further influence the planet's climate and weather patterns. Lastly, let's not forget the potential effects on space exploration and human colonization of Mars. A larger moon could serve as a stepping stone for astronauts, a place to establish a base, refuel, and launch missions to the Martian surface. This could make the dream of a human colony on Mars more attainable and less daunting. So it seems that a moon as big as ours could cause a ripple effect, transforming the red planet in ways that could potentially make it more like our blue one. This larger moon could make Mars a very different planet indeed. Let's compare the Mars we know and the Mars that could have been. The Mars we know today is a barren, dusty world with a thin atmosphere. It has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are more like captured asteroids than true moons. They don't have much of an impact on the planet's environment. Now, imagine a Mars with a moon as big as our own. This hypothetical Mars could be a very different place. The gravitational pull from a larger moon would cause tides on Mars, something the current Mars doesn't experience. These tides could have led to the development of large bodies of water, promoting the possibility of life as we know it. The existence of a larger moon might also have had a stabilizing effect on Mars' climate, preventing drastic temperature changes and possibly preserving a thicker atmosphere. This could have made the planet more hospitable for life and certainly more intriguing for space exploration. The presence of a large moon would also significantly change the way we explore Mars. Instead of sending rovers to crawl across the Martian surface, we could establish a base on the moon and explore Mars from there. It would also make Mars a more appealing destination for human colonization. It's fascinating to consider how different Mars could be with just one change. So, what's the takeaway from this? We've journeyed through the red Martian landscapes, both real and hypothetical, and we've seen firsthand how the magnitude and existence of a moon can dramatically shape a planet's destiny. From tidal effects to atmospheric changes, the impact is profound and far-reaching. Let's not forget the potential for life, a tantalizing prospect indeed. While we can only speculate, it's clear that a moon as big as ours could have made Mars a very different place.